Okay, here we put the both machines A2 and A1 UV Flatbed together and to see what's the difference. Okay, firstly, from the outlook, they are very similar ones, and the configurations they are using are also very similar. But the difference between mostly on the printing area, this one is 60 by 90 and this one is 40 by 60. And another difference is that the A2 size UV flatbed printer can only install with 2 print heads, while the A1 size can install with 3 print heads, which means that it can print on the vanish or what we call the glossy. For customers who only need color and white ink, A2 is the best choice. A1 I think is for customers who maybe has mass capacity, which print many by 1 parts a day, and has some like vanish effect, but choose the A1 size. Normally A2 size is enough. Okay, those are 2 models we can see. From the outlook, the overview, it is very different. The printing area there's much difference on those parts, and okay, on this side you can see. So A1 may take more space. And we check, let us check the ink bottles. Here's white ink circulation system, which stirs white ink and which makes sure that it will not clog. And every ink bottle has one. And this is A1, and this is A2, and here's A1. We can see that their vanish, the black, white, CMYK, and also you can check the white ink circulation system. It is very convenient. You can just screw this and you can refill the ink with 2 ink bottles.